Uy, nandiyan pala kayo. Hi guys, again, this is Lordy, ang tito mong psychologist. And for today's video, let's talk about some of the latest research about exercise and mental health. According to the research of Haapala et al. 2024, they find out that good physical fitness during childhood can actually contribute to an improved mental health during adolescence and even towards the succeeding years of their lives. They found out that good physical fitness improves a person's cardiorespiratory fitness. Okay? And in turn, it gives us a better chance of fighting symptoms related to depression, anxiety, or distress. Okay? So, that confirms some of the previous research that were published in the area of psychology, because when we are engaging on these physical activities, our bodies tend to release neurochemicals, hormones that contributes to wellness. Okay? They also help on eliminating other toxins or neurochemicals that are harmful, not just in our psychology, but even to our biology. So talagang napaka-importante ng exercise. There are also researchers that supports that having at least 8,000 steps, no, per day can actually beneficial to our health. But a more rigid, no, scientific data suggests that it's not just about walking or cardio exercises. Strength-based training is also necessary to preserve both biological and psychological health, especially those exercises that targets on strengthening our skeletal muscles. No, it contributes to the longevity of our lives. Okay? So hopefully meron kayong natutunang additional information about exercise and mental health. So, better if you can start your own exercise routine that's composed of both cardio-respiratory exercises and strength-based exercises. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Again, this is Lordy, ang tito mong psychologist.